this video, we will take you through the Advanced Customer Portal extension by VTDEV. To configure the portal information, access the CRM settings and select Customer Portal from Other Settings drop-down menu. On the top you can select the default Assign to User and see the URL of your portal. From Portal menu section choose the modules you want to add in the portal. Set privileges for the field value such as making them read-only or read and write. Set record visibility, related information, record permissions, sorting order and other details. Once done press the Save button. Copy the portal URL to a new tab to open the portal interface. On the home page of portal, you can view recent tickets, counters and recent FAQ. Select Tickets module from sidebar to view your tickets. You can customize the counter. To customize, choose Count by field as per your needs. Select Invoice module to view your invoices. Similarly, open the module whose records you want to view. You can set your user details by clicking on your icon on top right corner of the screen. From the search bar, search for records within the portal. You can also create or edit records within the portal by changing the Records Visibility field to show tickets linked to contacts, organization, and organizations on a lower hierarchical level. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.